Bye! Kalami ba na, uy? KKD, staff. Hapon. Ilang drinks. Hey guys, so we're here today at KKD. It's actually located near Plaza Independencia, and by the way, if you don't know me, my name is Margrette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Today we'll be trying out all of their food, so please do watch out for our review. Together with me are my food mercado, that's Mayan. We also have Daisy.
Hi guys.
Daisy of Daisy.
Daisy.
And DJ Jackie of
What's my name again?
DJ Jackie Spotted. Sa mukha. And Kasuroy Tabay upstairs. There. Okay. Busy pa siya. So please watch out for our reviews. We'll be telling them all in a bit. Chorizo rice. And this is the crispy pata.
Lechon bilangkad.
Lechon bilangkad.
Yes, native chicken.
Native chicken, and the other one is
Sisig rice.
sisig rice.
Amazing sisig rice.
Wow.
Tuna panga.
Tuna pa nga. Unsa ni?
Talong, rellenong talong.
Rellenong talong, no?
Anong baga siya?
Naman siya
Fish?
Say fish. A big round pork. Yeah.
Nice. Ground pork? Pansit Canton. Seafood Pansit Canton.
Balbakwa.
Balbakwa.
balbacoa. Remember the balbacoa, guys?
Yes! Wow, sinusla.
Cute. Scallops.
Chorizo.
No, that's chorizo.
Chorizo rice. Hi, sisig rice.
Try their
So excited
scallops first, guys. So,
Yeah, sure.
I believe this is cheesy garlic.
Timba.
Let's try up there. Chorizo fried rice. Their scallops actually fresh. So this is their menu.
Dalawa na ito ilahang. Ano mo po?
Pagumkum yun.
Tampok sa ilang sili.
Dami ka ni pares sa halang na soup. So far, ganahan ko sa ilang scallops, so ilang squid. And of course, there, lechon kawali.
Fish.
Muna yung lechon bilangkad. Bilangkad ang manok.
Ang pilaw. Lamigay dito. Guys.
Native chicken.
Pwede ka rin sa uputan.
Dami ang sabaw eh.
Ang ilang pag-garnish sa ilang
Wala ang ikuan ang kalamansi.
chicken bilangkad, guys. Ito na yata nila.
Nakuha silang panga eh. Mas dako pa sa kunang guys.
Next year.
Panga? They also serve beer. So, ang ilang mga giluto sa lamig ka ng iparis, labi natin panga. Tuhalang na sisig.
Lagi ko ha.
Of course, na yung kauban niya.
Guys, you should try them out. Namigila ilang mga pagkaon. Everything is guaranteed fresh, of course. It will be cooked when you order them. They're not cooked ahead. And visit them here in Plaza Independencia. If you're going south, hapit mo diri for lunch. Or if you're going north, hapit gyapon mo diri sa Mandawi dapit. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about my vlogs or the food that I just showed you, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye, lovies!